Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, we talk about a variety of different things: beauty, skincare, mid-size fashion, nails, pretty much anything and everything. I like my platform to be educational. I am a working mama. I work in the corporate world. I have 2 children. I am married. My life is crazy and chaotic. And so I like to share products and tips and tricks that I feel like help me, in hopes that they will help you as well. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and be part of the family. So today is Product Empties. So to be completely honest with you, I feel like several years ago, there was this big push about doing favorites and then product empties. And the product empty videos were never my favorite. I watched them, but I never really liked them because I liked the favorites video because they were usually new things, new upcoming things. But the problem with those videos is it's somebody's first impressions, really. They use them in that month, but they didn't use it all the way. And so it's really hard to say, hey, this product works or doesn't work if you've only been using it for a short time. But if you use it up and you stop using it, or you continue using it or whatever, but if you use up a product, more than likely you're able to do a better review on it because you've actually used it for a longer amount of time. So even though it wasn't the most exciting videos in the world, I feel like the product empty videos are more educational. Hopefully this video helps you guys. These are products, and I actually have a lot. I have been focusing, as I'm sure everybody else is, because of inflation and things being more expensive, I've been focusing on buying less and like actually using the stuff that's currently in my collection, but using it up and finding the true staples. So these are things that you probably have heard if you've watched any of my product empty videos. You've probably have heard these things before, but these are things that work for me. And so a lot of them are. So we'll kind of get into that. Next is the Monat Rewind Age Control Nectar. So I started using this. If you guys don't know, I do partner with Monette as far as hair stuff. I've used their hair products for a long time and I absolutely love them. That's going to be the next segment here. But I did start trying some of their skincare, and I do have to say there was winners. This one was okay. It's one of those products, like, it's hard to tell if a serum works because there's so much other stuff. Like, I didn't feel like when I added it to my skincare regimen that anything drastically changed. And since stopping it, I don't feel like I've seen a drastic reduction in anything. So in my opinion, it's not the most one that I would recommend. I do feel like it felt good, but I don't know exactly what it did. And I'm the type of person, when I do my skincare, it's very, very regimented as far as what I use. And when I go to use something, I will only add one thing in. Mostly because I've learned that my skin just doesn't react well with just changing it. And that's one of the things I've done is I've been consistent. And that's when I started noticing my skin going from severely dry and severely red, severely inflamed, to more of a natural or normal dry. Because one of the things I started doing was just sticking to the same skincare regimen. So my skin didn't feel like, what the heck? Like every month I was switching to another thing. So I am very consistent about making sure that when I'm adding a new product in, that I'm just adding one thing at a time so that my skin adjusts to it, but then also I use it the whole time. So I never had a negative effect for this, so I used it until it was gone, but then since I've stopped it, I really haven't noticed a difference. So it's not a product that I would recommend. I do think it's nice, but I just don't know exactly what it did for my skin, so I can't recommend it. One product that I can absolutely recommend is the Monat Be Gentle Nourishing Moisturizer. I did use this all up. What is the other one that I'm using? So I was like confused because I was like, wait a minute, I'm using this one. This one is the Be Gentle Nourishing Moisturizer. It's for dry and sensitive skin. This is one that doesn't have, like, it's for the daytime, and I really, really like it. This is one that I use if I have, like, I just had the Morpheus treatment done a week ago. That's why my skin is, on my neck particularly, is still kind of a little bit red and inflamed. But I like this because it is very, very gentle. I felt like it was thick. So if you do have dry skin, this is definitely a thick, luxurious moisturizer. But I didn't have any sensitivity to it. And I like this for the times like when I got a hydrofacial and I did the peel. This is what I would use in the morning, and then I would go in with my sunscreen. The Mary Kay Daytime Time-Wise Repair Day Cream is what I normally use, but I do feel like it's a little bit too spicy right after something, especially like the Morpheus and stuff. So I would use this. So I really, really like this. I will definitely be repurchasing this, but it's not my everyday one. It's only on the times that I get treatment, or if I feel like my skin is extra inflamed, I feel like this is just a perfect moisturizer. I have not used this one up yet, but this is the one that I was confusing. I'm almost done. This is the nighttime one. This is the Night Haven Overnight Age Control Cream for all skin types. This stuff is amazing. Again, I use it on the nights after I do an exfoliation, after I do a peel, after I do my hydrofacial. And then right now I'm in between. I did my Morpheus, and then 2 weeks later, I'm gonna do my hydrofacial. I'm not using any retinols, so I'm using this instead. This stuff is amazing. I will 100% hands down be using this, but if you're looking for something that doesn't have SPF, that is gentle, that's luxurious, that actually makes your skin feel amazing, and you're not looking for something with retinol, these are really, really good. The other thing, skincare, is this, oh crap, I completely forgot to go pick it up. At my med spa, they have another one for me, but this is the Alastin Skincare Rejuvenating Skin Nectar. So when I did the Morpheus treatment, the med spa that I go through, it's called It's a Secret Med Spa here in DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth area. Love them, love them, love them. Rose is my girl in Frisco. She's amazing. But she recommended this skincare line. And so it was kind of like a packet, you know, a package that you bought. And it had like the cleanser, it had this nectar, it had a moisturizer, and then it had skincare. This stuff, oh, it's so good. It is not an affordable product. I don't even know how much it is. I could not find it on the website, so you may be able to find it at a local spa if they sell this. If you're in the DFW area, It's a Secret Med Spa does sell this. I'm gonna go pick this one up, but they sell it separately outside of the kit. This makes your face feel absolutely amazing. It feels almost like it has a silicone-y feeling. Like when it goes in, it's not an actual serum. It's almost like this silicone feel, but it absorbs onto your skin. It makes your skin feel like a baby's butt. It is glorious, and it's really, really good for like damaged skin. Like, because I got the Morpheus, this helped like make it better. But if you're like having an inflammation, if you have rosacea and you want something that's just going to calm it down, this stuff is amazing. Along the same lines, from that same skincare line, is the Alastin Silk Shield All Mineral Sunscreen. If I had to pick one thing out of all my skincare that I had, like the only thing I would keep in my whole entire life, this would be it. That's how much I love this stuff. This is the second bottle. I have another bottle here. I will show you so that you know that I'm not just making this stuff up. Brand new bottle. Well, it's a probably a third way gone. But when I got it in the kit that I bought from It's a Secret Med Spa, and I tried it out, I was like, there is never going to be another sunscreen that I will ever do in my life, because this stuff makes your skin feel amazing. It works with Seint makeup. So if you are a Seint beauty artist or you wear Seint makeup, this stuff is going to make your skin feel amazing. It also works really, really well as a primer. It's called Silk Shield, and that is the best way to describe it. Whoever came up with it was a marketing genius, or not even marketing genius. Like, they truly were good with words, because it makes your skin feel like silk, and it's a shield because it's sunscreen. It's glorious. I cannot say enough. It makes me so happy. If I could tell every single person I ever meet that this is a sunscreen that they need in their life, even if it is the most expensive thing, like this is probably the most expensive thing that I have in my whole collection, but I will continue to buy it because it is that good. It makes my skin feel fabulous. I've worn it out on the boat and it works really, really well. It's only 30 SPF, water resistant up to 40 minutes, but it does its job. I wear this every single day and I just can't say enough good things about it. Next is Mary Kay Time Wise Repair Firming Eye Cream. I've talked about this ad nauseum on my channel. I love, love, love this stuff. If I had to choose between any of the eye creams that Mary Kay sells, this is my favorite, just because I feel like it's the one that I notice the most difference in. I like it because it's thick enough for nighttime, but it's also thin enough to wear under my makeup in the daytime. So if you're looking for a good all around, do you see that fly that's flying around? It is driving me insane. I swear flies are meant to just drive you insane. But if you're looking for a good all-around good eye cream that's luxurious, that's high-end, but it's not going to break the bank, this Time-Wise Repair Firming Eye Cream is it. Next is the Senegence Lash Senederm Solutions Lash Extend Clear Lash Lengthener. So I got on the jump on the bandwagon to try to grow my lashes out. I'll be honest with you, I did not notice any difference when I was doing my lashes. I don't know if I didn't use it enough or whatever, but I did notice the difference when I was doing my brows. I really, really like this stuff and I will be repurchasing it. I will try to do it for my lashes, but I use the Hello Lash Serum and it has worked wonders for my lashes. I mean, I know some people will be like, oh yeah, they're not that great. They're better than they were, trust me. They were half the size, they were short, they're sparse, and they were non-existent. Now they're decent length. I'm just working on the volume. This stuff though, I definitely thought that I saw a difference in my brows more than, I wouldn't use the Hello Lash on my brows because I just use it on my lids. I would probably do it, but it is expensive. This one's a little bit more affordable, but I liked it for my brows. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into hair. As I mentioned before, I am a Monette brand partner. I have used Monette for 2 years. I have to go back through my thing. If you see, you'll see that I've done videos on it and stuff like that. I don't have fabulous hair. Let's be honest with you. I have a lot of hair. When I went to go get my hair done by a new lady, she was like, oh my gosh, your hair is so deceptive because you have so much hair, but it's very, very, very fine. But what I like about it, the stuff that I've used is it does, like, even though, yes, I don't have like a ton of volume, this is volumized for my hair. So, hey, we can't all be blessed with luscious locks, but what Monette does for my hair is it really makes it manageable. It's not frizzy. It's a little frizzy right here because I got some baby growth coming in, but it's not frizzy. And this is all because of the stuff that I use. So let's go ahead and get through what I am talking about. So the first thing, this is the, oh, I don't have the shampoo. These are two of the conditioners that I use. My daughter also uses this stuff as well. This is the Volumizing Revitalize Conditioner. This is amazing for us fair girls, us girls that have fine hair. It will volumize your hair without weighing it down. I've been using this the longest. This and the shampoo are the two products that I've used the longest for Monette, and I absolutely love it. I recently have added in this Smoothing Anti-Frizz Deep Conditioner. This is what's helped me get rid of my frizz. Even though I do have fine hair, it is frizzy. My hair lady will tell you it is frizzy. But I like this. I don't use it because I don't wash my hair every day. This is the other thing that I love about the system is I was a everyday hair washer. Now I'm day 4, day 5, which is crazy, crazy, crazy. So I usually alternate it. One time when I wash my hair, I'll do the revitalizing, and then the next time I'll do the anti-frizz. I don't feel like this weighs down my hair anymore. And honestly, truly, I probably could do just one or the other. And if I had to choose, I'd do the anti-frizz because that is what I need more in my hair. So if you don't have frizzy hair and you're looking for volume, this is it. If you have frizzy hair, definitely do this one because you won't be disappointed. The other conditioner that I used up is the Monat IR Clinical Thickening Conditioner. So I do like this. This is not a volumizer. This is not going to volumize your hair, but what it does is it actually, let me read it. So fortify weakened hair to defend against hair fall and reveal stronger hair. This clinically developed formula thickens hair upon repeated use. Detangle and moisturize tresses for radiant fuller hair. So it actually helps like keep your hair in your head, basically helps with fallout. Therefore, it helps with thickening because if you don't have the fallout, then you have more hair, that sort of thing. So I do really, really like this. It's not my favorite. I use it every like quarter. I'll go in and I'll try to use like half a bottle just because I want that like fuller looking hair. But for the most part, it's the anti-frizz and the volumizing that I do the most. The next thing is the REJUVENIQE Oil. This is like the holy grail oil. And if you hear about Monette, this is probably the product that you'll hear about. What this is kind of an oxymoron. I use hair oil. I will put this in every week before I go to wash because I'm washing every 4 to 5 days. I usually do it every 4 to 5 days. But the night before I go to wash my hair, I will put this all on my scalp, put it all in my head, I'll do my ends, and then I'll go to bed. I wake up the next morning and I will wash it out. My hair is not any more greasy than it is before. In fact, this is where the oxymoron comes in. It actually is less oily the more oil I use. Maybe not the more oil I use, but because I'm oiling my scalp, it is less oily. It's kind of like exercise. They say the more you exercise, the more energy you have, which doesn't make sense because you're depleting your energy, but then you get more of it coming back. That's kind of like this. This is the product that helped me go from everyday hair washing to 4 to 5 days. It went from super greasy hair where I was a grease ball by the end of the day, even though I had washed it in the morning, to now by day 3, I'm a little bit greasy. By day 4, I'm pretty much ready for a hair wash. But it is night and day better than what it was, and this stuff is amazing. Last but not least is the Monette Dry Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite dry shampoo. I love the Living Proof. It's Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. It is gorgeous, 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 but it will leave a white cast. It comes out really, really thick, and it's a lot, and you cannot use it every day. I use this every day because when I'm trying to extend my washes, I will use this. I don't use it a lot, but this will soak up your oil. It will help volumize your hair. It will not leave that like film. You know how where you go like this and it's just got that white gook in it? That's my nail. It's not the white gook, but I'll do it here. Like there's no white gook in there. Is there white gook? Nope, no white gook. The Living Proof, even though it's my favorite, I would always have this white white chunks in my hair from all the buildup from the dry shampoo. This stuff will not do it for you. It has the Rejuvenique in it, so it's going to have that oil to help revitalize your hair. It revives, refreshes, and conditions. Can't say enough about this. This video is going to be so long. I apologize. But anyways, that was my product empties for this quarter, month, whatever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will have everything linked down below. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.